Hello guys, welcome. Hello guys, welcome to the 5th of March 2026. It's Thursday today, so let's look about that and the news and let's analyze the market. Okay, the gold market. So let's start with the news today. So we didn't get any news yet, so we were just waiting for the news. If you are listening, if you all have any question, please message chat message me so I can correct myself. So is the audio is okay? Do you guys need any audio? Is the audio okay? I hope audio is okay. So let's look the news. So already we didn't have any big news. After 30 minutes of NY open only we have unemployment claims, red news, and few yellow newses with that. And tomorrow is the NFP day. Let's look. War against Iran versus USA Israel. So let's look. Anything new. So just being book shows weaker consumer weighing on scales. Trump on Iran war from scale of 1 to 10 and rating 150. Trump official brokes messy US Venezuela gold deal and Putin suggests Russia could stop supplying gas to European market. Okay. These are the old news. Nothing fresh. Let's look the chart. Let's go to the chart. Okay. So if you see the chart, Monday, the start of the week, Tuesday, everyone thought go because of the war that gold will start to go up, but it didn't happen. It started with a gap, but it made a top around this area and flipped into bearish candle, closed as bearish. And Tuesday market opened near a top peak, closed as strong bearish. And yesterday it's bullish, but it's not a strong bullish or anything. And today's market started with all these days, market starting with a gap. See this big gap. Here also it's a gap. The top here also it's a gap, and here also it's a gap. So if the market went up, made a top, began trying to come all the way down. Maybe market can push it back down. Let's look the lower time frame. What about the 4 hour? So, yeah, let's look. 4 hour. Market is consolidating. Early last week also market started to consolidate here like that. So again market is consolidating. This is our resistance zone. So this is the first candle of the day, 4 hour candle of the day. Market started here, went up this area, rejected, closed below this. The second candle started, break all this, went up, again rejected, came down, closed as bearish. And now this new 4 hour candle made a top wick, break the previous low. And this previous 4 hour candle don't have a lower wick. Okay, let's look. Let's go to the 1 hour. So in 1 hour, you can see the resistance. Let's keep our support here. Market strongly coming down. If it is break above this, we can go up to here. How much is it? Okay, 296, almost 300 pips. And below this, 440 pips. Okay, so let's look the 30-minute time frame. If we see the 30-minute resistance remains same, and we had support here, we had a support here, came down, closed below breaking this, and it's bullish candle. And this candle broke this low. I didn't take the trade. I was not looking the chart actually. So even though still this candle closed a little bit above this yellow line, so it's concern to me. It's not a big body, so maybe breaking this low could be taking the trade. 60 bit stop loss. Oh my god, 444 pip of rate movement almost. How much is happened? Range is 444 pip. That almost 410 pip movement move happened. Okay, very good move. So now we just need to wait for a pullback or something. So even the 15 minutes also not, okay, this 15 minute close below this, but I didn't watch the market. That's the issue. So if I watched it, maybe I could take it. Because market came down, respected the support, another bearish candle, bearish closure. Okay, good, breaking this low. Let's say if I taken this trade here, stop loss will be my current candle high, and market moved around, let's say stop loss deep area, 14 to market close without the low wick. So I just close the trade. However, I would be taken like 120 for more than what I risked. So it was a good trade, but I didn't take it. I was not there at the market. What use? Yeah. This range looks good, and so I'll take this as my support here. We came all the way. Now this support doesn't work. We already broke. We came down. So I'm looking here. Market to give a fair what reversal candle to take a buy, or else market to consolidate here, print some sideways candles, make a support and resistance, break the resistance to take the buy. If the market just comes down and break this, I don't take the sell because market already overextended. We got overextended already. Still we have 49 so overextended doesn't going to work here. We have to wait for the market. Let's wait. The only thing that we can do now is just wait. So let's see how many people are watching. So let's see. What else we can do? What are the ideas that we can take? Get it here. Just normal reversal candle will make any sense here. Take the trade. Whoever watching, please ask your questions here. I'm ready to solve that. So in the chat, hi message and so yes. No, we have to wait for the. If you all have any questions about the market, about trading, anything you can ask through the chat. I am always ready to clear yourself, clear your doubts. Let's look the market. What we can do, we just need to wait. Waiting is the game, guys. Always waiting is the game. So if you can't wait, you can't make the money. So if you see, uh, last trade that I have taken is day before yesterday. Yesterday I didn't take any trade. So maybe while waiting we can discuss about that trade. It's loading. Okay, let's wait for that. So now to take a buy, what I should do, okay? Let's see what how we can take a buy here. First of all, we should understand one thing clearly that market is in sideways, the 4 hour is in sideways, okay? And it's strongly bearish, even though this previous day is bullish, still see we went fill this. We came all the way down, making a new lower. So see here, this gap filled, closed as bearish. This gap started here, filled, closed as bearish. This gap didn't fill yesterday, closed as small bullish. And today we started here and we fill this gap. Okay, maybe we can go as bearish. That's why. idea, my bias. I am open to take buy and sell more. Still, okay, wait, let's look at this. So if you see from Wednesday, yesterday, from yesterday we are in the sideways. We started to print sideways. The 4 hours started to print sideways. So now what we have, what we left. See this strong bullish, bearish candle, weaker, strong bearish, weaker. This is a doji. I don't see it's bullish or bearish. Okay, good bullish again. This is a bearish candle, break the previous high but closed as bearish and started, made a small top big. The previous low came all the way down up to here. 1 hour, 1 hour. Okay, see this. If you see in 1 hour, already market went came up to here, closed as weak candles. Okay, yesterday, and it started to go up. This is the day starting candle, right? Made a lower week, went up, and started to come again back down. So this is, I don't say inside this we can't trade. We can trade, but with certain condition, with certain candles, market structure. So market need to make some structure to take trade. So what I wanted here is in a 30-minute time frame. Yeah, 30-minute time frame suits better. Situations like this, like if you are in a trending market and all, okay, you can look the 15, but if it is like doing this kind of crazy stuff, you just wait for a double confirm 30-minute confirm. Always good. So I need candle to close bearish, good bearish, and then I need a bullish candle, top big small body bullish candle, and then from there maybe we can go up breaking that high, or else market to make sideways candles. Let's say market close bearish, a bullish, a bearish, bullish, small candles. Then what happens? Our resistance comes somewhere up to here. 1 hour, like 1 hour, 2 hours of consolidation happens. Then we get sideways. Then let's say it breaks above, we can take the buy. We have 300 pip range. Take the sell, market comes here, small, big, what, bullish candle, and then again a bearish candle breaks below and close because already we moved so much. So goes up and breaks below and make a bullish candle, and then make a bearish candle close below this. Then after that we can go for the sell. So this is what my idea for the day. Sorry, for the session I can say. At the moment this is my idea. 15 minutes I don't know what to look. Just because of this 15-minute candle I'm not going to take any buy. Because let's see. We came down. Strong bullish. But the bullish candle without lower way. Okay. So the previous 30 minute, previous 4 hour, everything closed without a lower week. And market made a top peak, break the low, break its own low, came all the way down. The funny thing in 15 minutes is see this range, this area. Market is rejected at this area. Here also. Market got rejected. So it's a big rejection zone and market got rejected. And the 15 minutes is going to close in 7 minutes, right? So what we can do is just wait. So let's look my Tuesday trade, right? So I took it this in the phone. I was out. It's pre-London, 15 minutes before the London Open. So this is my local time. So my time 1:30 p.m. London market opens. So this is the trade that I have taken. I made a breakout here in 15 minutes. In 30 minutes, it's impulsive, but this candle doesn't have a lower wick. So I just don't want to take the trade. I waited and strong bullish, and market came and it rejected in the rejection zone and made us resistant. Like what I say today, same thing I did. So made a rejection, made a resistance, breakout happened. So market made a low wick and break this area, took the trade, waited, and then what happened? Market started close here, started came all the way up to here and went up. So it's 1:1 TP hit. I just exit the trade. Then what happened? Markets London open, started to flip down. So let's say you are targeting 1:2. Same trade. What happened to you? You would be lose, right? So one thing you can do is after it hitting 1:1, you can close the 50 percentage and put it into the break even because this is like 55 pips or 49 pips or 59 something like that. Pip. After market, moving so much like big, this big, it can't come back again. Right? It made a low big and then only it break the previous high. It's London open. It break the previous high, so volume should be high. It should go up. It didn't. So I closed in 1:1. So if you are targeting big, then what you guys can do is simple. Wait for the market, break the low and broke the high. Stop loss should be in this candle low. It goes up, goes up, goes up. Let's say 1:1. Take some partials and then put it into the break even and then get out of the. If the market have the good volume, it will go up. If the market comes all the way from there to here to your entry point, which is around 50 pips negative, that means it can easily go back. The selling pressure would be high. So this is how you can stay away from the losses. Even a losing trade, you can stay away, or you can make a little bit money. So you made some portion here. You risk let's say 1%, $100. You risked 1:100 came, but you close the $50 and put it into the break even. Let the market goes up. It came down, hit your SL, and if you didn't secure that, and if you didn't put the SL in the break even, you will be minus $100 because of you secured and put it into the break even. Now your balance will be plus $50. Okay, this is how market works. So that's the last trade that I have taken. Uh, Very first yesterday I didn't get any opportunity to take the trade. I was there waiting for the market, didn't get any trade, zero trades actually. So I was waiting yesterday, all around waiting. Other than waiting, I don't know what to do yesterday. So when this happens, right? That's how you should follow your rules. So if you see, I never from last from this day I never from 8 I didn't break my rules. If I take the trade, no problem, I will be paid. So that what happened, my account started to grow. So that's what happened. So only Monday, few small trades, I just took it out of curiosity because of the market. I thought market can go up. Market is doing that, doing this and all. But it didn't happen, but I lost less than, I lost around 0.5 percentage on the Monday because of few, foolish, hopeful trade, not technically because the war and all, I thought market will push all the way up, so I took the small confirmation, but it didn't work out, so I risked less. But Tuesday I recovered everything. So yesterday I didn't get any trade. Still, it's a weak day because yesterday was choppy. If you see this, fully choppy. No any proper entry. I didn't get. So fully choppy. So I waited to take a trade. I didn't get, so it's a win. If it's a choppy market and I stayed away, I control myself. So if it is choppy, higher probability if I take a trade, it will be negative. a loss. So I didn't take it, so it's a win for me. Served my capital, my profit, previous profit. So I am waiting. Let's see the 30 minutes how it looks. Oh, big rejection, right? If this close like this, bearish momentum will be weak. If he breaks this high, that means we can go up. I just wanted to market to make a bullish candle, resistor and go. But now, no. This is what we can fix a setup in my idea. So market whenever the candle changes, we need to change. We need to react to that. So it's bullish, a good bullish. Some good bearish candle first of all. And this is a good bullish. It's going to close in 43 seconds. So we are going to close in 43, 37 seconds. We have to wait. So let's wait. What to do? And just because of this 115 minute candle, can I take the trade? Already the 4 hour made. Okay, see this. See this. Came all the way down yesterday. Rejected, went up. Rejected, went up. Came down again. Today rejected, went up. This 4 hour came all the way up to here. It's rejecting. So can he go up? Let's look at the lower week. The lower week. See this. Okay, we closed as weaker bearish here. So two things can happen here in my idea. Either market can come down, we fill this big and still goes up and close as bearish. One thing. Or else it goes up 15 minute. If you see the 15 minute, it goes up. Okay, see current candle closed. Wick to no wick, right? Almost wick to no wick. 7 pips or it's nothing these days. So market can come down up to here. Maybe fill that big 50 percentage, 30 minute 50% or something like that, and it can push all the way up again back. Or else we can, so if it comes down and close, we can bring our resistance. We can bring our resistance to here. If it is close as bearish candle, then break above this. I'll be happy to take a trade. So still in 30 minutes, if you see market closed as bearish candle, it didn't close in bullish candle. If it is closed as bullish, okay, confirmation candle, but still we didn't get any confirmation here. Even the top peak is like bigger than the body, like 69 pip, 255 pip. So the top peak also bigger than this body. We should wait now. We should wait. Just if this 30 minute candle break this high, I'm not going to take the trade. Let's say if this 30 minute, okay, it's made a lower week and comes up, break this high. How much is this? 160. We already moved so much. So what is the target? The target will be 140 pips. So I don't want to take the trade. So I just want to take it. Market to make a resistance here. What about market made a top peak, made a lower peak, comes down, goes up and break its old high. Still it's a 15 minute. I am confused. So if I'm confused, I don't take the trade. You are confused, you don't take the trade. And it is happening within 2 to 3 minutes. Very quickly, very, very quickly. Let's say if you are taking a trade here, okay? For example, what is your stop loss? 69 pip. I don't want to take this kind of trade. Will it work or not? I don't know. Minutes, nothing happened. So I'm just staying away from the market. Wait. I just want to wait. So guys, this is it. Wait for the market structure to happen and then think and take a decision. So that's it. I'll wind up the live now.